Apple has been at the forefront of processor design for years, and their recent transition to custom Apple silicon chips has only reinforced their commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But rumors suggest that Apple is already hard at work on their next generation chip, the M3. The M3 is expected to be based on a more advanced manufacturing process, which would make it faster and more efficient than the already impressive M1 chip. And if the rumors are true, the M3 chip could be a game-changer for Apple's Mac lineup. The M3 chip is expected to have more CPU and GPU cores than the M1, which would result in significantly improved performance. This could mean faster rendering times for creatives, smoother gaming experiences for gamers, and improved overall performance for anyone using a Mac. The M3 chip is also said to have more memory bandwidth and support for faster RAM, which could further boost performance. Of course, these are just rumors, and we won't know for sure until Apple officially announces the M3 chip. But if the M1 chip is anything to go by, we can expect big things from Apple's next generations. What do you think of the rumored M3 chip? Let us know in the comments below.